dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, reaffirmed the government commitment to the welfare of workers in the state, pledging that his administration will ensure that no worker in the country earns better than those in Edo State that he employs. Moving on after this, we have the All Progressive Congress governorship candidate for the upcoming Edo State elections, Senator Wàhàla, visited the Reverend Oba of Benin to celebrate the return of Benin artifacts to the palace from United States. But guys, before I go carry on, I would like welcome Mona to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, as we are giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. If this is your first time to join this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki has reaffirmed the government commitment to the welfare of workers in the state, pledging that his administration will ensure that no worker in the country earns better than those in Edo State which he employs. The governor, who spoke while addressing civil and public servants in the state at the Joint Odike Public Service Academy in Benin City, the Edo State capital, said the investment in the workers is part of his efforts to ensure that workers are adequately motivated, empowered to deliver effective to the Edo people, commending the workers for their relentless contribution to the development of Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki said his administration will ensure that the workers are provided with a conducive working environment and incentives that are benefiting of their immense contribution to the growth of the state. He said the state government, under his leadership, has trained over 2,700 civil and public servants on digitalization, information technology, and digital transformation, among others, as part of ongoing efforts to drive the government digital economy plans and ensure the use of technology in processing government transactions and activities. He further stated that his government has built and strengthened institutions that will ensure the sustainability of the e-governance reform and other laudable initiatives of his administration in the state civil and public service. The new Edo will be driven by them using technology. That's why Governor Godwin Obaseki is saying that one of the considerations for promotion is that some of them have to take training on one aspect of technology to enable them to move to the next level. So they will retain them in the service by improving their condition of service and ensure no states pay wages that are higher than the one of Edo State. He added that he will continue to work until his last day as a governor in Edo State to ensure everything they started in the last 8 years is sustained. So they should not worry that he's going to make Edo people feel relaxed. And the next person that is coming in will start from where he stops. That is why he's pleading on them for them to vote for Asi Hodalo, because he's the right person for Edo people. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The All Progressive Congress governorship candidate for the upcoming Edo State elections, Senator Wàhàla, visited the Reverend Oba of Benin to celebrate the return of Benin artifacts to the palace from United States, noting that while the return of the artifact is not merely a restitution of stolen treasury, but a reclamation of heritage, a recognition with the soul of the Benin people, and a symbolic victory against the erosion of African history. So Senator Wàhàla said the return of artworks remain a testament to the enduring spirit and resilience of the Benin people, that the move brought a sense of historical justice and a promise to ensure that the legacy of the Benin Kingdom is celebrated and preserved for future generations. These artifacts are more than objects. They are symbols of their history, their identity, and their pride. So their return is a powerful reminder of their rich cultural heritage and the strength of their people. The Edo Central Senator noted that the significance of the events extended beyond the boundaries of Edo State, stressing that it was a powerful message to the world about the importance of cultural restitution and the recognition of historical injustice. He said he saw the Benin artifact as a triumph of diplomacy, advocacy, and the relentless pursuit of justice. Senator Wàhàla, who visits was marked by heartfelt interaction with the Oba of Benin, who has been a steadfast advocate for the return of the treasuries. The Oba's tireless efforts have been instrumental in bringing international attention to the plight of the Benin artifacts. Together, both Oba and Mondo Bobolo reaffirmed their dedication to preserving the cultural heritage of the Benin Kingdom and ensuring that such historical injustice are never forgotten. Now, Senator Mondo Bobolo said that his leadership will be crucial in fostering cultural resonance and promoting the acts and heritage of the state, noting that his visit to the royal palace was a promise to the people of Edo State that their history would be cherished and their cultural identity would be celebrated, that he will never forget that so sold. My friend be small matter. I make it tell people of Edo State when they vote for him come September 21st, 2024, because him na homeboy and he knows what people really need and he's going to provide it for them. He has already pledged that he's going to prioritize education, healthcare, security, infrastructure in his first 100 days if elected as governor of Edo State, alleging that the later isolated Asue-Hodalo will not do anything. That he never knew that Asue-Hodalo was from his place. Not until recently, Asue-Hodalo developed interest for governorship election. But now, it's made the people watch their eye clear and vote for homeboy. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys. Bye.